Telegram without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can use Telegram without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you don't happen to have a phone number and then you still want to use Telegram, now right off the bat, whenever I open the Telegram app, you can see right at the home page, if I tap on start messaging, the only option I have is to just enter my phone number. Other than that, there is no way that I can go ahead and then use Telegram over here. Now you can see there is no option to enter an email. Bottom line is you can't use Telegram without phone number. But let's say that you are underage and you don't have a real phone number for some reason, you can still use Telegram using a virtual phone number. So for that, you don't have to have any sort of fees or anything like that. There are many free virtual websites that provide these virtual phone numbers out there, and they're completely legal. So if you'd like to check that out, I'll have a few links in the description box below if you'd like to check that out. But you can still use Telegram regardless of whether you have a real phone number or not. You can use a virtual phone number. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.